What is the best thing you can do to dramatically improve dry, brittle, splitting and peeling nails? Because a lot of people are having issues with this. The answer is oil, but even better, warm oil treatments. And today I wanted to show you how I treat my nails with warm oil to show you how easy the treatment is. So, I made a mixture of oil. Cheers. And later on I'll tell you exactly what the mixture is. And this is about, I would say, 1.5 ounces, 50 mils, a little bit less, right? And a bowl, a bigger and a smaller. We're going to put hot water into the bowl, and we're going to stand the oil in the warm water to warm it up. Make sure that your polish is off your nails, that you remove the polish really, really well. That's important because we want the oil to penetrate the nails. And we're going to dip the nails in the oil. And as the oil is warming up, it's making it easier for the oil to penetrate the nails. So now let's see what Doug Schoen has to say about oils. If you are new to our channel, Doug Schoen is a very renowned scientist, a product formulator. He's a chemist, and he really knows a lot about nails. So that's why we're quoting him a lot. So he says, a lot of people are asking and assuming that the oils are moisturizing. And believe it or not, that's not how the oil works. And he says nail oils don't add moisture to reduce dryness. That's not how they work. Instead, they reverse brittleness of the nail coating by absorbing into the nail plate to increase flexibility. This is getting nice and warm. That allows the nails layers to slide past each other more easily. So that's how you reduce the brittleness. Because very often people think that the most important thing for the nail is how hard the nails are, and it's actually not the case. Because many times when the nails are too hard, they are brittle and they split, and even worse, they start peeling. He also says oils will be absorbed into the nail plate to plasticize it, but more slowly than water. Just as oils are absorbed more slowly into the nail plate, it is also more difficult for the oils to escape, which is a good thing. Therefore, oils stay in the plate for a very long time, and that can exert a dramatic long-term influence on the durability of the natural nail plates. And this quote is from Nail Structure and Product Chemistry, page 37. Another question that we also very often get is, does the oil make the nails stronger? And the answer is no. Nail oils don't really strengthen the nails. Instead, they can toughen them. And there is a big difference, because toughness is a harmonious balance between strength and flexibility. Nail oils have no ability to strengthen nails, only to make them flexible. And that is why nail oils have greater effect on brittle nails. Brittle nails can be strong, but lacking flexibility allows them to break more easily. Now, a lot of companies are selling oils saying that they repair damage, or they claim that their oils make the nails grow faster. Is that a case? And Doug's answer is no. No nail oil can repair nails or make them grow any faster. However, if they improve toughness, the plate won't break as easily, so it can grow longer. That is very different than growing faster. And it is false or deceptive to claim a nail oil makes the nails grow faster. Okay, so this hand has been sitting there for how long? 5 minutes? 7 minutes? 8 minutes, my God. Okay, so this is enough for this hand. And so I'm going to grab a towel and just dab it off lightly and soak my other hand. And now I can't touch the computer. So another question is, how can you tell if the nail oil is penetrating? So one way to find out is to put some of the oil that you're using on your skin, and if it does not easily penetrate the skin, it's not likely to penetrate the nails. Now, which kind of oils are best for the nails? So the answer is, one of the best oils you can use is jojoba, which actually is not an oil, it's an ester. I don't know exactly, but it's very close to the oil that our body produces. Another very good oil is avocado oil. Another good ingredient is squalene, which is not necessarily, because people right away think that squalene is made from sharks, and that's not always the case. There is squalene from vegetable sources. So squalene is very good, sweet almond oil is good, safflower oil is good. And grapeseed oil is also very, very good. Sunflower and hemp seed oils. There are many other oils, and you can actually get the oils in bulk. So there are a lot of oils on Amazon. I'm going to provide the links below so you can make your own oil. So I would say jojoba is very, very good, and then you can just make the mixture with whatever oils that you even have at home. Avocado is a very, very, very common oil to have at home, very good for salads, and you can make your own oil. Now, how often do you do this? So I recommend doing this once a week if your nails are dry, and this is how I would recommend doing this. So for example, for the whole week, if you wear nail polish, at the end of the week, let's say Saturday night, you remove the nail polish and again, remove it very well, and then do the treatment at night and leave the product off your nails for the night, and the next day you can do a manicure and you can reapply the polish. This way you give your nails enough time to reabsorb as much oil as possible. So my nails are feeling actually very, very good, I have to say. I'm going to just wipe the excess off, put some cream on, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye. Because a lot of people are asking...
Recording him a lot?
Huh? Oh, we are quoting him a lot. Yeah, we quote him a lot. By the way, I forgot to mention something super important. So the reason why the worm oil, I have such a hard time pronouncing it, worm oil treatments. The reason why the worm oil treatment, again from the beginning. Hi guys, one more thing I forgot to mention, which is very important. The reason why the worm oil treatments are so effective is because the heat helps the oil to absorb into the nail plate a little bit faster. So this is why we're doing this.